Desserts names. Do you know this cold creamy treat? This is ice cream. Ice cream. What's this item with frosting on top? This is a cupcake. Cupcake. Can you guess this chocolatey square? This is a brownie. Brownie. Does this round sugary treat look familiar? This is a donut. Donut. What's this round treat with chocolate chips? This is a cookie. Cookie. Do you recognize this creamy dessert? This is a cheesecake. Cheesecake. What's this pie with a fruity filling? This is a pie. Pie. Can you name this colorful sweet treat? This is a macaron. Macaron. What's this smooth and creamy dessert? This is a pudding. Pudding. Do you know this dessert with fruit on top? This is a tart. Tart. What's this fluffy breakfast treat? This is a muffin. Muffin. Can you spot this wobbly sweet treat? This is a jelly. Jelly. What's this item that's a chocolatey bar? This is a chocolate bar. Chocolate bar. Do you know this treat with squares? This is a waffle. Waffle. What's this striped sweet treat you can lick? This is a candy cane. Candy cane. What's this round treat with syrup? This is a pancake. Pancake. What's this thin sweet pancake from France? This is a crepe. Crepe. Do you know this frozen treat on a stick? This is a popsicle. Popsicle. What's this icy dessert that's fruity? This is a sorbet. Sorbet. What's this fruity layered dessert? This is a parfait. Parfait. What's this rich chocolatey treat? This is a truffle. Truffle. What's this chewy sweet treat in squares? This is a fudge. Fudge. What's this dessert made from rice? This is rice pudding. Rice pudding. What's this pastry with cream inside? This is an eclair. Eclair. What's this treat with marshmallows? This is a s'more. S'more. What's this coffee-flavored dessert? This is a tiramisu. Tiramisu. What's this frozen milk treat from Italy? This is a gelato. Gelato. Can you spot this tart with fruit on top? This is a fruit tart. Fruit tart. What's this thick, creamy drink? This is a milkshake. Milkshake. Do you recognize this crispy cinnamon treat? This is a cho. Cho. What's this creamy caramel dessert? This is a flan. Flan. What's this crispy pastry with coffee? This is a Danish. Danish. Did you enjoy learning about desserts? Explore more exciting videos on our channel, and be sure to subscribe for lots more fun. Until next time, see ya!